If your Sportage won't start and the 4WD light is flashing, you likely have a voltage or communication error. Over 60% of these dual system faults are caused by simple electrical issues rather than mechanical failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your Kia back on the road safely. Start by verifying your battery health, as low voltage often triggers ghost 4WD errors. The rear differential coupling actuator is a frequent culprit for system-wide communication shutdowns. Always check the 20-amp four-wheel drive fuse before assuming a component has failed. Simple cleaning and fuse swaps are easy DIY tasks, but internal coupling issues require a pro. A new battery costs around $150, while a full coupling unit can exceed $1,000. Performing a hard reset can sometimes clear temporary software glitches in the 4WD module. Keep a multimeter and a basic scanner handy to avoid guessing which part to replace. Experts warn that ignoring these early warning signs can lead to being stranded when the car refuses to crank. Check those grounds and battery levels first and subscribe for more Sportage repair guides.